unboxing. Yes. Well, obviously you guys know what this is already. Yes. The little bag that makes miracles. Man, I'm telling you, I'm going to tell you something about this, man. Represent has become, I can probably say, my favorite clothing line that I've ever had. I love this clothing so much, quality wise. No, guys, I'm not sponsored by them or anything like that. I'm saying that out clearly. This is the bomb diggits, bro. The bomb diggits, the bomb diggits. I'm gonna open them up real quick for you guys because I'm gonna do the review on the clothing. Well, I'm just gonna unbox it, but I'm not gonna show you the actual. I'm not gonna spend 20 minutes here showing you the thing. I'm gonna do a whole full review on why I'm actually taking them out of the bag right now, because I gotta explain to you things that you have to take advantage of when it comes to getting this at a very good price, guys. You gotta take advantage of this. So let's open this up already. You already know that there's something magical in here. Whatever it is, just give me a second. Let's open this up real quick. Yeah, because I've been like, yo, man, I'm telling you, this is good stuff, bro. Good stuff. And I love the company. And before you even ask, yes, I am wearing the vintage. I got this one miraculously. That stock. I wanted to get the old school Wu-Tang jackets, the Tommy Hilfiger. I was like, dude, I'm looking everywhere. And somebody popped up with this one, and I got it through eBay. That stock. I had the tags and everything, guys. Made a big mistake not showing you the on that stocking. But here you go. Here's a t-shirt. This is obviously a t-shirt. And this one, I'm expecting something a little bit different than what I usually review, guys. Here we go. I think it's in this one. Yes. Yeah, this one has a couple. Yes, this is it right here. I got like 3 or 4 more pieces right here. This one right here. It's a bag. It's an actual bag. Guys, I'm telling you. They're looking out, man. That's all I'm going to say. Represent is looking out. Big shout out to Represent. Like I said, guys, I'm not sponsored. I'm not sponsored. They're not giving me a dime for this. These people are the real deal, Holyfield, man. Quality on point. You know, I'm not going to bash no brand. I'm not going to do that. But, man, these people are the bomb, bro. Even the old school came out of it, bro. Even the old school, the bomb. The bomb. Represent. Beautiful, man. Beautiful job. It is what it is, man. I don't hate, I regulate. It is what it is. But let's get into the unboxing. Let me see over here. No, because I had to put the sticker on the other one. I had to cover it out. Guys, it was the address and stuff like that. You know how people are sometimes. Start sending you mail. Yeah, you know how that works already. So, guys, here we go. Let's see what it is. Cleaver in hand, obviously. Massive cleaver. Check this out. Out of control cleaver. Here we go. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Let me get it. Guys, just sponge. Yes, man. Yes. That's right, man. You guys probably know what this is already. But I actually, and I said I wasn't gonna buy them. I know I bash this sometimes. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. Not the actual shoe, a certain thing about it. But you guys will see it. That's right, man. That's right. The fear of what you will become. Look at this beauty right here. The fear. The Jordan 4 fears. I have to get this. And what is it that I bash all the time, guys? Yes. The Jumpman in the back. I'm not a big fan of 4s and 3s with the German in the back, but I know what the point of this sneaker is. It's more like a, how do you say it? You got to remember something, guys. There was a lot of people in this world that they had no faith whatsoever in this channel. None. Bashed, troll, the whole shebang. And look at it, fully monetized, flourishing, great audience, great reviewers, great YouTube fam. I always try to answer. It's changed my life, man. It's changed my life. When a lot of them say, you'll never be able to get a monetized channel. Look at it. So guys, you fight for it, you're gonna get it. And that's why I had to get this shoe. And I'm telling you one thing, man. Off the rip already. I'm not gonna give a lot of details, but off the rip already, it's sick. It's sick, guys. This is sick. What the hell is this? This is sick. This is a beautiful sneaker. I'm not gonna mention the quality, but wow. Yeah, they killed it, man. I'm excited for these shoes, man. Very excited, very big meaning when it comes to me. And I'm gonna make this shoe something big out of it. It is what it is. When I do the full review, I'll tell you all about it, the whole shebang. So guys, yes, here you guys have it. The Fear, the unboxing of the Fear 4s. I have more unboxings to come, guys. Unboxings, the whole shebang. Once again, big shout out. Let me get it over here real quick. Represent. Yes, I know. You guys must be. This guy has to get paid, guys. No, I'm not, guys. I'm dead serious. When I love something, I'm very. I put a lot of emotion when I like something, and man, dude, I'm so happy with that brand, with that company. And I don't even know one single person in there, guys. I don't even know one single person. I've never spoken to anybody there. Never. They never reached out to me. I'm just saying the honest truth, guys. Transparency is key when it comes to this. Transparency is key when it comes to this. Anyways, guys, till next time, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Stay tuned for this one. I'm going to be reviewing these soon. Peace!